Okay guys, good morning. Welcome to Everything Tech. As promised, to this morning I'm going to show you simple trick on how you can minimize data and get maximum result. Now we want to solve data problem. That is why we are here this morning. A lot of us have been complaining on my DM that okay, we don't have data, we cannot actually afford getting data in this January. This is 2024. Now I'm going to give you a simple trick where you can solve the data issues that stops you from being able to surf the internet and access the online features. Now, first thing you need to do this morning is to get your MTN line. This trick works very well for MTN. Get your MTN SIM card and then go to your phone dialer and then type *344#. Dial this and we're going to migrate to an MTN plan called MTN M Plus. This MTN M Plus will help you to access this trick I'm about to show you. Now, if this is your first time on this channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button so that when I post videos of this nature, you will be able to get notified immediately. All right, going forward now, you click on 1 to join the M Plus. I've already subscribed to this plan, so I'm not going to do it again. But when you click 1 and send, it will take you to it will send you a text message welcoming you to M Plus. You follow the process and finish up the process. So when you have migrated to this M Plus plan, you come back and dial *344*2*1#. Okay, and while you are doing this, make sure you have money in the account, at least 200 naira or 150 in the account. Then at this point you will be asked to you choose a plan. If you look at this now, you see number 1, 350 megabytes for 50 naira, which will take you for 7 days. Now you see 250 megabytes for 25 naira, which will take you for 1 day. Number 3 is 1.2 gigabytes at 150 naira, 4 gigabytes at 500 naira for 30 days. Now you go ahead and select the plan that suits you based on what you have in your account or what you want to achieve. Now this is cheap compared to every other data you are going to be buying on MTN. So you select any of them. If you want to select 4, you go for 500 naira and pay for 30 days and get 4 gig. Go ahead, or whichever one that suits you, just go ahead and select and follow the option and then finish up that. Now if you have done that, you have actually activated and subscribed to M Plus. Now this will not really work, but for you to enjoy this, what you need to do is to go to your Play Store and then download Stack VPN. Search for Stack VPN. Go to your Play Store, search for Stack VPN. This is it here. As you can see, I already downloaded it on my phone, so I'll just go ahead and open it. When you are done downloading, I'll just go ahead and open it. When I open it, you come to this place. Okay, sorry for the ads. You come to this place, do your settings, click on this, and then go down. Remember the plan we activated was M Plus. Okay, just go down, look for M Plus 2023. Yes, click on it. Now when you have done that, if this is activated, then click on this button. Yes, there are some ads on the app. Now it's connected. If it shows you that there's need for update, yes, click on the update and update it. Now when you do this, you have activated that data you bought. You will be able to use that data for the period of time you've activated it for, and as cheap as maybe 150 or 500 for 4 gig. So that is the bonus I want to show you today. Okay, another trick I want to show you, if you are using an Airtel SIM, but make sure you don't have anything on the Airtel SIM, like any data. You have an Airtel SIM that you're not subscribing data for, and it's just lying down there. You put it on your phone as your secondary SIM. Now go and activate data, on data on that Airtel SIM, and then come back here, download this app, come back here, and then close this. Go to Airtel Daily. You see this Airtel Daily 49, Airtel Daily 48. Click on it. When you click on it, you click on this activate button. It will work the same way. Now what the benefit of this is, it will give you 480 megabytes daily for free. Airtel SIM, any Airtel SIM, just power on the data, come here and switch this on, select this option, Airtel 48 megabytes daily. It's 480 megabytes you are going to get every day if you do this just by using your Airtel SIM that you don't have any subscription inside. Just do this and you will enjoy data in this 2024. There's no more complaint of I'm not able to stay online, I don't have data, I cannot follow up updates online because I don't have data. I've given you 2 tricks this morning on how to solve data issue. So go ahead, if you like what I've just showed you now, go ahead and click on the subscribe button, click on this video, like this video, and then also share this video to your friends and family who you know very well will like this trick and will want to you want to save them from data issue in in this new year. All right, thank you very much. I'm Andy Best. I'm signing out now. Peace.